Are you tired of ordering the same old delivery pizza every Friday night? Why not try making your own pizza at home? It's easier than you think. And the best part is, you can customize it with all your favorite toppings. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of making delicious, homemade pizza. Step 1. Gather your ingredients first. Things first, you'll need to gather all the necessary ingredients for your homemade pizza. This includes flour, yeast, salt, sugar, olive oil, tomato sauce, cheese, and your choice of toppings such as pepperoni, mushrooms, peppers, or onions. Step 2. Make the dough. Start by making the pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, yeast, salt, sugar, and olive oil. Gradually add warm water and mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for a few minutes, then place it in a greased bowl and cover with a towel. Let the dough rise for about an hour. Step 3. Roll out the dough. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and divide it into 2 equal parts. Roll each part into a ball and let it rest for a few minutes. Then use a rolling pin to roll out the dough into your desired pizza shape and thickness. Step 4. Add the toppings. Now comes the fun part, adding the toppings. Spread a layer of tomato sauce on the rolled out dough, then sprinkle with your favorite cheese and toppings. Get creative and experiment with different combinations. Step 5. Bake the pizza. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature it can go. Place your pizza on a greased baking sheet or pizza stone and bake for about 10-15 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Step 6. Enjoy your homemade pizza. Once your pizza is done baking, carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Then slice it up and enjoy your delicious homemade creation. Making pizza at home is a fun and rewarding experience, and once you try it, you may never go back to ordering delivery again. So gather your ingredients, roll out the dough, add your favorite toppings, and bake to perfection. And don't forget to savor every bite of your homemade pizza.